These whitening strips look different for a reason. Instead of disappearing or sliding around, this green gel actually works where you put it. Now, I just put these on. This is the Inopro. It's by the Innovative Whitening Strips. They come in a box. They come to your door. You don't have to stress about it. They are built differently. Like, you can tell there's nothing like I've ever tried before, and I'm just blown away with the results. And you can see for yourself, because I do have before and after pictures, because I was thinking, are these gonna work? You look at them, you decide for yourself, and how cool and innovative they are. Just a little brush at the end and you can see the results. Now, I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and I'll come back and I'll show you. You literally just peel them off. There's no sticky residue. There's no like scraping the top layer of your teeth off. Like, you peel it off, a little bit less, and you just brush it away. A writer smile is not about being perfect. It's about walking in that room and feeling confident and feeling like you can strut your stuff because your teeth are white and pretty. Now, they're not just extravagant white. I didn't want that. I wanted like a white you can notice. Like, that is a big difference just from the beginning of the video to now. So if you're looking for a new whiter smile and you don't know where to start, I highly recommend these right here.